Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about how to set reminders for loan repayment dates. Keeping track of loan repayment date is essential for staying on top of your financial obligations and avoiding unnecessary late fees. Lendingclub makes this easier by providing built-in tools and settings that help you to stay organized. To set up reminders, start by logging into your Lendingclub account through the mobile app or the website. Then navigate to the loan section where you can view details about your active loan. Within the loan dashboard, look for the alerts or notification settings. Here you're going to find options to customize reminders for upcoming payments. You can usually choose to receive alerts via email, SMS text message, or push notifications directly from the app. When activating reminders, you can decide how far in advance you'd like to be notified. Commonly 1 week before, 3 days before, and on the due date itself are the options that are available. Setting multiple notifications ensures that you don't miss a payment even during a busy schedule. Additionally, if you already use Lendingclub's autopay feature, reminders still serve a valuable role. They let you verify that funds are available in your account before the automatic debt occurs, preventing overdraft fees or failed transactions in the process. For added flexibility, consider synchronizing Lendingclub reminders with your phone's calendar app. This way, your repayment date appears alongside your regular schedule, helping you to plan expenses and cash flow. By setting clear reminders, you stay consistent with repayments, protect your credit score, and maintain full control of your financial commitments. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.